Here we are at the Northwest Pre-Owned Centre, part of BMW Northwest, with a really nice and exciting addition to our lineup. It's a 2015 Audi Q7 Prestige TDI. Let's go over some of the cool features and interesting bits about this car. So as I mentioned, this is the Prestige level. With Audis, you know, you get the Premium, Premium Plus and Prestige. So this is the top of the line. And this guy, you can see, you got heated and cooled seats, navigation setup, got the Bose stereo upgrade, a huge big panoramic roof with a venting system in it. That means the shade comes across, and then with a tilt it allows hot air to be vented out of the car. One of the amazing things about this car is, you can see, just over 16,000 miles for a 2015. That's pretty amazing. As you probably know, a TDI is the diesel. The range on these guys, you know, you've got the super electric cars and hybrids that are great for around town, but any long distance stuff, this is really it. When I was at Audi in Bend in Oregon, we got one of these guys and filled it up with diesel, and a lady customer drove all the way from Bend in Oregon all the way up to Seattle, visited for a mom for a day, drove around, and then drove all the way back to Bend. It was like 738 miles on one tank. So it's amazing range and mileage on a 7-seat larger SUV. It's equipped with the Audi Quattro system, so a phenomenal all-wheel drive capability. Really good looking setup. It's got that like gunmetal grey and gunmetal grey wheels, so great looking car. There's the turbo diesel engine. You know, Audi and Volkswagen and Porsche went through that scandal with the diesel. I was actually in there when the scandal broke, and they cheated a little bit with the mileage, but this genuinely gets you the 28 miles per gallon at least on the highway, and they've rectified the emission system now so it complies. This went through the BMW shop, so brakes, tyres, lube, oil filter, everything was done. Cosmetically, as you can imagine, only having 15,000 miles on it, it's in really nice shape. The bench in the middle here, it's set up for 3 seats. Access into the 2 seats in back is pretty easy. And when all the seats, of course, are lowered, a phenomenal amount of room. There's the rail system on top if you wanted to put a rail system on it. And here in the back, here you can see how the seats fold down. A bit of extra storage underneath there as well. No tow hitch on it, but you could put a class 4 on it. It would have a decent towing capacity. I'm not sure what that is, but with the 6-cylinder 3-litre turbo diesel, it's going to have quite a decent amount of torque. Very excited to have this car on the lot. Give us a call if you need any information on it. It's not going to last very long.